The first indicator we need is supertrend. The second indicator we need is L3 Bunker Fund Follow Trend Oscillator. Select the horizontal line and specify the center line of the 4-day L3 indicator. The third indicator we need is RSI. Enter these settings and make these changes. The first condition for taking a buy position is that the supertrend is green. The second condition is that at least one green candle in L3 indicator enters from the bottom of the middle line to its top. Note that if 50% of the candle is above the middle line, the condition is confirmed. The third condition is that the RSI has entered the oversold zone and crossed this zone from the bottom to the top. Then we can enter the buy position. We place the stop loss below the previous resistance and exit the trade with a target of 1.5. The first condition for taking a sell position is that the supertrend is red. The second condition is that at least one red candle in L3 indicator enters from the top of the middle line to its bottom. Note that if 50% of the candle is below the middle line, the condition is confirmed. The third condition is that the RSI has entered the overbought zone and crossed this zone from the top to the bottom. Then we can enter the sell position. We place the stop loss above the previous resistance and exit the trade with a target of 1.5.